In recent years, high-intensity interval training, sometimes known as high-intensity interval training, HIIT, has garnered a great amount of popularity, and with good reason. This type of physical activity provides a wide range of benefits that can have a significant impact on your overall fitness journey. Workouts that include HIIT optimize the amount of calories burned, improve cardiovascular health, stimulate metabolism, and increase overall fitness levels. This is accomplished by combining strong bursts of exercise with brief times of recovery. In this video, we will delve into the complexities of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and discuss its multiple benefits in detail. Before starting, like the video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our future videos. And now, let's get started. Number 10. Accessibility and cost-effectiveness. It's easy to fit a HIIT workout into your busy schedule because you can do it almost anywhere. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, routines may be modified for use in a variety of locations and with a wide range of equipment, so you can get in shape anywhere and whenever you like. As a bonus, HIIT routines can save you money because they require almost no tools at all. Your body weight and some inexpensive ancillaries, such as resistance bands or dumbbells, are all you need to begin a very efficient HIIT trip. Number 9. Mental health benefits. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, has the same beneficial effects on mental health as other forms of exercise. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, has been shown to increase levels of endorphins, the feel-good hormones that improve mood and lower stress. The concentration and intensity that are hallmarks of HIIT workouts also act as a sort of mindfulness, reducing stress and enhancing clarity of thought. In addition, finishing an intense HIIT workout and feeling good about yourself is a great way to improve your confidence and mental health. Number 8. Improved insulin sensitivity. How well your body reacts to insulin, the hormone that controls blood sugar, is what we mean when we talk about insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance, a condition linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and other metabolic problems, is a direct result of impaired insulin sensitivity. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a helpful method for controlling and avoiding these disorders, since it has been proven in studies to greatly enhance insulin sensitivity. Including HIIT in your regimen can help you control your blood sugar and lower your risk of developing chronic diseases. Number 7. Enhanced athletic performance. The benefits of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, are not limited to those who are just interested in fitness. Athletes can also reap significant benefits from HIIT. Intervals of really hard work are designed to simulate the physical stress of several popular sports, including running, soccer, and basketball. Athletes can improve their strength, speed, agility, and stamina by including HIIT in their training routines. Training the anaerobic energy systems with explosive motions and intense bursts of activity in HIIT routines helps athletes perform at their peak levels during competition. Number 6. Versatility and variety. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is appealing because it can be adapted to a wide range of fitness goals. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, routines can be modified to accommodate exercisers of varying abilities and interests. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, can be modified to meet the demands of everybody, regardless of whether they like bodyweight exercises, aerobic activities, or strength training. And since you can adjust things like work-to-rest ratios and exercise selection, you'll never get tired of your routines. You'll stay motivated and on track with your workout goals by mixing up your routine. Number 5. Preservation of lean muscle mass. Traditional steady-state cardio routines have been criticized for possibly leading to muscle loss. Overdoing cardio workouts can lead to muscle breakdown and a less toned appearance. On the other hand, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, aids in the maintenance of lean muscle mass while encouraging the reduction of fat. Intense interval training, HIIT, and resistance training RE, are two components of HIIT that promote muscle growth and maintenance. This helps you keep your muscle mass while you reduce your fat percentage. Number 4. Increased metabolic rate. The capacity to speed up metabolism is one of the most well-known benefits of HIIT. Workouts that consist of short, intense bursts of exercise are known as high-intensity interval training, HIIT. These workouts increase the amount of oxygen that is burned by the body and stimulate the synthesis of human growth hormone, HGH. This temporary increase in metabolic rate not only aids in calorie burning during the workout, but also has a long-term impact on your body's ability to burn calories efficiently overall. Regular high-intensity interval training, HIIT, sessions can lead to an increased metabolic rate at rest, which means that your body will continue to burn more calories even when it is not actively exercising. This boost to one's metabolism has the potential to be very helpful in obtaining and keeping a healthy weight. Number 3. Cardiovascular health. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, has been shown to dramatically enhance cardiovascular health when practiced regularly. Your heart rate is pushed to its limits by the intensive intervals followed by short recovery periods, which are designed to challenge and enhance your cardiovascular system. This has the potential to boost cardiac health and performance over time, leading to greater stamina and a higher quality of life. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is an effective method for promoting cardiovascular health since it reduces blood pressure, slows the heart rate during rest, and increases cardiac output. Number 2. Time efficiency. In this current day of constant stimulation, time is more valuable than ever. HIIT's appeal is that it allows you to accomplish more in less time. The advantages of HIIT can be achieved in a fraction of the time it takes to complete a traditional cardio workout, making HIIT an attractive alternative. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is convenient since it can be adapted to even the busiest schedules because a full workout may be finished in as little as 15 to 30 minutes. Because of this benefit, HIIT is a fantastic choice for people who want to get the most out of their workouts, but don't have the time to devote to them for hours on end. Number 1. Superior calorie burn. One of the key advantages of high-intensity interval training is that it can burn a significant number of calories in a relatively brief amount of time. Your body will be pushed to its limits as you complete the high-intensity intervals, which will result in an increased heart rate and increased oxygen usage. This causes an increase in the amount of calories burned both during and after the activity. This phenomenon is referred to as the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. Studies have shown that high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can continue to rev up your metabolism for up to 24 hours after you've finished your workout. As a result, HIIT is an effective strategy for cutting calories and undesirable fat. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.